We'll guide you through how to install VST plugins in FL Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Now let's get started. First, you need to download a plugin. So just go to any browser to your liking and you can download plugins from websites like babyaudio.io. And to download any plugin, let's say I want to download this particular magic switch. So I'll just click on the Windows icon as I'm on Windows, and you will see our download has been successfully started for magic switch. So I'll just wait for it to finish. And once that the download is finished, I'll just go to the file location by clicking on the folder icon and just extract it as it is currently zipped folder. So I'll just click on extract all and click on extract. And once that it is extracted, you will be taken directly inside the folder. So just click on the application to run the setup wizard. Click on yes if prompted. Now just make sure to read through the agreement and then click on I agree the agreement to continue with the installation. And click on next, next, next and install. And just wait for the installation to complete. Now after that, just click on finish and go to your FL Studio and go to add. Go to more plugins and go to manage plugins. From here, make sure only these two are selected and just go to find installed plugins. And now basically the ones that are highlighted in the yellow are your installed plugins. And after that, you can just go ahead and close this window and go to your mixer and just choose any slot and go to more plugins and double click on it, and you will see we have successfully installed our plugin just like so. And that's it. That's how you install VST plugins in FL Studio. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.